Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 2nd of August 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas, let me tell you one thing. We had an Independence Day sale, which was 50% down on my Elite pack and the Overflow pack. Now the sale officially ended, but it is still on the website. My web guy still haven't taken that sale down, so he'll do it in a couple of hours from now. But if you want, you still may be able to catch it. Go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and go to Trading Course and Tools in here, this yellow button. And this is where you can get my Elite pack. The Elite pack is the recommended training pack. And there is a video which describes everything which is included in the Elite pack, so you can watch that one. In short, it consists of volume profile video course, my personal trading levels, which you'll get twice every day, volume profile indicators, and a bonus. And at the top of that, there's a free tech support, which will install the platform for you with all indicators, workspaces. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge, as this is the part of the Elite pack service. Alright, so the sale will probably end up in a couple of hours when my web guy takes that down, but currently, if you hurry up, you still should be able to get it for $3.97. Alright, so that's for the sale, and let's now go into the trading ideas. Let me go to the charts. So the first trading idea is on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And actually those are two trading ideas because I have two resistances which I wanted to show you. Those three charts which you see, they all show the Australian dollar Swiss franc. They are linked. The chart at the top, this is a 60-minute chart, and the profile in here, this is a weekly volume profile, which means that it shows how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole week. Now the chart below it, this one, this is a 30-minute chart of the same instrument. And in here I use my flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this. And the last chart, this is a 15-minute chart. And those little profiles, those are 4-hour profiles, which get automatically printed every 4 hours. So this is the layout which I use. And now for the trading ideas. The first resistance is in here at 0.6671, and it is based on this selling activity which took place on Friday. So within this selling activity, there was a significant volume cluster created in here. Such volume cluster created within a downtrend means that sellers were adding to their short positions at this place, right? And those are strong sellers because you can see those heavy volumes there, right? So when the price makes it to this level, which is the beginning of this resistance zone, those sellers should start defending this place and they should push the price downwards again. So that's the logic behind the first resistance. And the second one, this is a resistance which got formed in here at 0.6695, and what happened in here was that there was a heavy volume area created in this rotation, and that rotation took place before the sell-off. So this tells me that sellers were building up their shorts in here in this rotation, and then they pushed the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to 66.95, this is where the resistance begins, where the heavy volume area begins. Those strong sellers should defend this zone and they should push the price downwards from there again. Now there's also one thing which I really like about the second resistance, and let me show you on the 60-minute chart. As you can see, the price was bouncing off that zone several times, and this means that this worked as a strong support, right? Because the price was reacting to it. Now the support got breached and the price went past the support, which means that the support turned into a resistance. All right, and all that in this area, in this heavy volume area. So we have volume profile setup, which shows the big trading institutions building up their shorts in here. And we also have this price action setup, which says that this support became a resistance. All right, both setups pointing to the same trading level. So those are the resistances on the Australian dollar Swiss franc. Now let's move forward and let's go into the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So what I have in here on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is a resistance, which is at 0.8755. It is in here, and it is based on those heavy volumes. You can also look at the volumes like this heavy volume area, this one, which got formed, those volumes got formed right before this strong sell-off. And this tells us that there were strong sellers building up their shorts in this rotation area and also in here, and then they manipulated the price to go downwards. So when there's a pullback, this will be a strong resistance because those sellers will want to defend this zone and to push the price downwards from there again. This level is also very nicely visible on the weekly profile in here. As you can see, this is the point of control of the whole previous week. So it's weekly point of control, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got created in here, got traded in here. So just by itself, this is a strong level to trade from, weekly point of control. All right. And combine it with our setup, which I showed you, I would say this is a pretty solid level. So when the price makes it to 87.55, I think the sellers who placed those volumes, also those volumes, will want to defend this zone and push the price downwards. All right, this is what makes this a strong resistance. Now, the last trading idea will be on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So let me go over there. And this level, which I'm going to show you, this resistance level, is actually a level for my members area, but I'm going to share with you as well. Let me zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. So there was a downtrend on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. And within this downtrend, there were a couple of significant volume areas. There was this volume area created in here. And by the way, we are trading that with our members, and this was our short, so a beautiful trade. Then there was this one. We were also trading that, and we had short in here, another beautiful trade on Friday. And then there is the third one, the third strong volume cluster, and the heavy volume area begins in here at 25.19, and this volume cluster still haven't been tested, so it's still active and still valid to trade. So when the price make it to 1.2519, I think that the sellers who are building up their shorts in here will defend this heavy volume area, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there. Now, you may want to look at the profile like this, which will show you only the volumes in this tight rotation before the strong sell-off started. This makes the level way clearer to see. All right. So that's the resistance on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, one of the levels from my members area. Now, before I wrap this video up, I would like to announce the winner of the contest we had last week. The prize of the contest is a volume profile for MetaTrader 4. And right now on your screen, you should see the name of the person I randomly picked and who won the volume profile indicator. So congratulations for winning the profile. And what I will do is I will do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this YouTube video, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Alright, so that's the deal, that's the contest, and that's also the end of the video. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you found it useful, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in my members area. And until then, happy trading!